American Language Course, Book 7, Lesson 3D. Hello. Open your Language Laboratory Activities booklet to Lesson 3D. Look at Figure 1. Look at the pictures and listen to the questions. Then circle A, B, or C. Let's do the first one and check it. Number 1. Which is the tallest? The correct answer is B. The building is the tallest. Repeat. The building is the tallest. Okay, now let's finish the exercise.
Number 2. Which is the fastest? Number 3. Which window is the widest? Number 4. Which month is the shortest? Number 5. Who is the strongest? Number 6. Which shape is the smallest? Number 7. Which car is the newest? Number 8. Who is the youngest?
Now listen and check your answers.
Number 1 is B. Number 2 is C. Repeat. Which is the fastest? The airplane is the fastest. Number 3 is B. Repeat. Which window is the widest? The window in the center is the widest. Number 4 is A. Repeat. Which month is the shortest? February is the shortest month. Number 5 is A. Repeat. Who is the strongest? He's the strongest. Number 6 is C. Repeat. Which shape is the smallest? The triangle is the smallest shape. Number 7 is A. Repeat. Which car is the newest? The small car is the newest. Number 8 is C. Repeat. Who is the youngest? The man on the right side is the youngest.
Look at Figure 2 now. Look at the sentences. Listen to the questions and answers. Look at the example first. Which book is the biggest? Repeat. The math book is the biggest. Now listen and answer the questions.
Number 1. Whose score was the highest? Repeat. Jan's score was the highest. Who got the lowest score? Repeat. Pat got the lowest score. Number 2. Who is the youngest? Repeat. Susan is the youngest. Who is the oldest? Repeat. David is the oldest. Number 3. Which is the largest? Repeat. The army is the largest. Which is the smallest? Repeat. The Navy is the smallest. Number 4. Who was the latest? Repeat. Lieutenant Smith was the latest. Who was the earliest? Repeat. Lieutenant Brown was the earliest. Number 5. Which flight was the shortest? Repeat. Flight 456 was the shortest. Which flight was the longest? Repeat. Flight 123 was the longest. Number 6. Whose watch is the fastest? Repeat. Mike's watch is the fastest. Which boy has the slowest watch? Alan has the slowest watch. Repeat. Alan has the slowest watch.
Now look at Figure 3. This is a map of South America. Listen to a question and select the best answer, A, B, C, or D.
Number 1. Which country is the largest? Number 2. Which country is the smallest? Number 3. Which country is the widest? Number 4. Which country is the narrowest? Number 5. Which country is the longest?
Check your answers.
Number 1 is C. Repeat. The largest country is Brazil. Number 2 is D. Repeat. The smallest country is French Guiana. Number 3 is A. Repeat. The widest country is Brazil. Number 4 is A. Repeat. The narrowest country is Chile. Number 5 is B. Repeat. The longest country is also Chile.
Turn to Figure 4 now. Look at the left side of the postcard. Read it. Then answer the questions. Read the left side now. Now answer the questions.
Number 1. Who got the postcard? Repeat. Janet got the postcard. Number 2. Who wrote the postcard? Repeat. Mary Ann wrote the postcard. Number 3. Where did she go on her vacation? Repeat. Mary Ann was in France on her vacation. Number 4. When did she write the postcard? Repeat. She wrote the postcard on August 4th, 1989. Number 5. What did she do that day? Repeat. Mary Ann took a train to the top of a mountain.
Now look at the right side of the postcard and answer the questions.
Number 1. What did Mary Ann write on the right side of the postcard? Repeat. She wrote Janet's name and address. Number 2. Janet's first name and last name are on the first line. What is on the second line? Repeat. Janet's house number and street name are on the second line. Number 3. What's on the third line? Repeat. The city, state, and zip code are on the third line. Number 4. What's on the bottom line on the right side of the postcard? Repeat. The name of the country is on the bottom line.
Please turn to Figure 5. Listen, don't repeat. Bill wants to write to a friend on this postcard. Look at the postcard and listen to the questions. Then write the number of the line in the blank. Look at the example. Where will Bill put the stamp? Line 6. Bill will put the stamp in the box on line 6. Now look, listen, and write the number of the correct line.
Number 1. Where will Bill sign his name? Number 2. Where will he write the date? Number 3. Where will he write his friend's first and last name? Number 4. Where will he write only his friend's first name? Number 5. Where will Bill write the name of his friend's country? Number 6. Where will Bill start his message? Number 7. Where will he write the city, state, and zip code? Number 8. Where will he write his friend's house number and street name?
Now check your answers.
Number 1 is line 5. Number 2 is line 1. Number 3 is line 7. Number 4 is line 2. Number 5 is line 10. Number 6 is line 3. Number 7 is line 9. Number 8 is line 8.
Look at the postcard again. Look at line 4. What can Bill put on this line? Your friend. Repeat. Bill can write your friend on line 4. Look at Figure 6. Listen to a paragraph. Circle the letter next to the question or questions you can answer with the information in the paragraph. You may circle more than one letter. Look at Figure 6 and listen to the questions.
A. What is the name of the city? B. How many people live there? C. What is the name of the lake near the city? D. How is the weather in the city? E. Who lives in the city?
Now listen to the paragraph.
Chicago is a very big city. 3 million people live there. It is next to a large lake and has many tall buildings. One of them is the tallest building in the United States. In the winter, the weather there is very cold. There's a lot of wind and snow. Chicago is called the Windy City.
Listen to the paragraph again.
Chicago is a very big city. 3 million people live there. It is next to a large lake and has many tall buildings. One of them is the tallest building in the United States. In the winter, the weather there is very cold. There's a lot of wind and snow. Chicago is called the Windy City.
The answers are A, B, and D. Look at Figure 7. This exercise is like the exercise in Figure 6. Listen to the questions.
A. What two countries are around the big lakes? B. What are the lakes called? C. How many lakes are there? D. What is the name of the ocean? E. What is the largest lake in the world? F. What is the name of the state by the two smallest lakes?
Now listen to the paragraph and circle the letter or letters by the questions.
There are 5 very big lakes between Canada and the United States. They are called the Great Lakes, and they are like small oceans. One of them, Lake Superior, is the second largest lake in the world. New York State is by the two smallest lakes. Chicago is also next to one of the Great Lakes.
Listen to the paragraph again.
There are 5 very big lakes between Canada and the United States. They are called the Great Lakes, and they are like small oceans. One of them, Lake Superior, is the second largest lake in the world. New York State is by the two smallest lakes. Chicago is also next to one of the Great Lakes.
The answers are A, B, C, and F. Turn to Figure 8. Listen to some questions and statements and select the best response. Circle A, B, C, or D.
Number 1. How old is that car? Number 2. How old is Mary's mother? Number 3. Al's grade is higher than any other grade. Number 5. Please circle the right answer. Number 5. The mountain is under the clouds. Number 6. It's early morning. Where is the sun? Number 7. What's in the garage? Number 8. Where are the children? Number 9. Those students are late. Number 10. Where did my baseball go?
Now check your answers.
Number 1 is D. Repeat. That car is 5 years old. Number 2 is B. Repeat. Mary's mother is 91 years old. Number 3 is C. Repeat. Al's grade is the highest. Number 4 is C. Repeat. Draw a circle around the right answer. Number 5 is A. Repeat. The clouds are over the mountain. Number 6 is B. Repeat. The sun is low in the early morning. Number 7 is A. Repeat. The car is in the garage. Number 8 is A. Repeat. The children are outside in the yard. Number 9 is C. Repeat. The students are running to class. Number 10 is B. Repeat. Your baseball is on the other side of the fence.
This is the end of Lesson 3D.